I'm Leo Strider, and today I'm traveling to July 20th, 1969 to take humanity's first steps on the moon. This is going to be one giant leap. Destination, Sea of Tranquility, Moon. July 20th, 1969. Here we go. One giant leap through time. I'm here. July 20th, 1969, Sea of Tranquility. The most important day in human history is about to unfold.
In a few moments, a great astronaut will step down from these ladders and speak the words that will change everything. I can feel history about to be made.
There it is. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. I am witnessing the moment when mankind touched the moon.
No, I'm floating away. I can't control it. I'm adrift in the cosmic void.
Where am I now? This looks like a space station from the future. How did I get here? What year is this?
I'm Leo Strider, traveling to June 1967 to witness the Six-Day War that changed the Middle East forever.
June 5th, 1967. The day that redrew the map of the Middle East.
I'm in divided Jerusalem, 1967. The tension is unbearable. War is coming. The Israeli military is mobilizing. In hours, everything will change forever. It's happening. The Six-Day War has begun. The speed is incredible. I'm caught in the crossfire. This war is changing everything in real time. Where am I? This looks like a modern command center. Are we still fighting the same war? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves securing the package by midnight. This message will self-destruct.
Go.